Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, yes.
Do you have any athletes that obsess over their legacy?
I'm not at that level yet where I've got the most rich and famous and that obsess over their legacy. So I'm not there yet, but I've seen, I'm not a legacy type guy. I'm like, like it's just not my style. So I'm not sure I'm going to pull for that. I like to teach people to live fully. And so you're not focused on the outcome of living fully, right? The legacy, right? That, to a certain extent, legacy is ego, right? You live in the here and now, you do the best you can. Even your children, could argue that's your legacy, but I don't look at it as legacy as, you want to teach your children to be the best, human beings they can possibly be. And will that technically leave a legacy for you? Yes, it will. But the reality is, look, one of my closest friends died. I will remember her until I die. But after everybody that met her, like, is dead, like, she's not rich or famous. And if she was, I don't think it really matters, right? It's like, does Julius Caesar need to think about his legacy? Like, or William the Conqueror or whatever it is? I mean, it's kind of, I don't know, it's not my thing.